Good morning everyone. Mauna po to guys. Cheers. Okay. Um Today is Sunday and it's a happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there in the world. Yes, the beautiful mothers out there. So today is Sunday, as I have said a while ago. I'm not going to run today, but because I don't have enough sleep last night because we had grand alumni homecoming in our alma mater, Agusan National High School here in Butuan City. Okay, English speaking ta karon. Yes. Kay kuan guys. Bisaya na pod. Wait, kinit. Samang. Kuan, it's because nawala na ko guys. Yeah, it was kuan, alumni homecoming. As I have said, balik. Then karon mo antog hapon ko sa amo. Antog hapon ko sa doon sa naman ko. Antog hapon ko sa Aussie Cafe or sa Robinson's Place Butuan kay mag-meeting mi karon guys about our incoming event this coming May 18 because the Butuan Runners Club organized a fun run or a half marathon rather, and we are the ones who will take good care of all the runners out there. Yeah, sa tanan ng registered. So, naami sa mga marshals mi guys. The team Lalak will be assigned in turning point sa 21 kilometers. So, makitaan ninyo sa 10.5 kilometers. So, dito mi guys, kami ang mag-support sa mga runners sa 21 kilometers. We'll be serving waters maybe colas or fruits, candies, yeah, cold water. So see you there. But first, may meeting sa may karon guys on what to do. Yeah. What's this? Yeah. Anad naman may anak guys kay sige naman may padagan actually. We are anad na. But of course, even we are used to it, we need to have still a meeting. Yeah. So, magpabugno na tag-aircon, kaginitan ako. So, see you all on May 18, 2025. Yes, guys. See you. And May 18 is the Disperas of the Fiesta of Butuan because May 19 is Fiesta sa Butuan City. Yes. Actually, I'm only wearing my slippers. Yeah. Pwede man lagi mo ran ang bahay. Yan. Yes, last night guys was amazing because of the grand alumni homecoming. So, once a year yun na ito mamit ang atong mga mga batches and then mga classmates po, except na lang kami mga barkada. Okay, always mention may magkita na ang barkada guys. So na siya. Always not halos every day, but I have a friend, a classmate in high school nga kita mi sometimes 3 times she's also a runner. Yes. Yun siya guys. And then, today is Mother's Day. Yeah, I hope masayo mi og human sa among meeting kay mo simba ko 9 to 10. Pero kung dili maabsan, well, daghan may schedule sa church. But the best good guys nga nung magsimbahan jud ko sa SM, it's because bugnaw. Initon jud kay kog lawas guys. Super dali ra kay ko kanington. Naana na jud ko guys kay tungod. Grabe akong maintenance. 10 years ko ga maintenance. Yes. Una nga. One of the side effects sa akong mga maintenance guys is sweating yun. So, una nga. Dili kay tungod. Ganahan ko kay sa mall. It's not because of that. Tungod kay grabe kay nito na akong kalawasan. Na nga, gusto jud ko kung mag-run man ko ay mag-run, mag-attend man ko mas sa SM okay. Grabe siya ka the best na place. Sige na, go na kuya. Init jud kaayo guys. Sometimes init man jud ang church. Okay. Electric fan lang. Usahay di man ka makatungod pud sa electric fan. So, mga gina ang mahitabo. Na dito na ako mag-park daan sa Asi. I will be waiting for them in Asi Cafe. Okay, araw maka-plastar na ko guys. Maka-plastar na ang inyong ante sa Asi Cafe. So, nag-i-day sila oh. Remember. Okay, dirita. Okay lang gisarada ng ilang parking. Nanagida yung akong mga runner friends. Okay. So, well guys, na ako dali guys sa among meeting place. So, more to guys. Bye Mama Chup Chup. We'll leave this wallet.